Hi there, welcome to this English lesson. This is English Comprehension, how to make a cheese and tomato sandwich. Let's read through this together. So the ingredients needed are white or brown sliced bread. So it depends on what you prefer, white or brown bread, a tomato, a block of cheese, and butter or any other spread like margarine, for example. Always get an adult to supervise children using a sharp knife because the equipment needed to make a cheese and tomato sandwich includes a butter knife for spreading, butter knife for cutting, maybe a chopping board, and a plate. So what's the method? Well, wash and dry your hands carefully first of all. Collect 2 slices of bread and place on a clean working area. Point number 3, open your chosen butter or sandwich spread. Use the butter knife to collect your chosen spread and drag it evenly across one side of each slice of bread. With one hand, hold your tomato very still on the cutting board. And point number 5, with your other hand, take the sharp knife and very carefully cut the tomato slices. Point number 6, next arrange the slices of tomato on one piece of bread. Following up, with one hand, hold your block of cheese very still on the cutting board. With your other hand, take the sharp knife and cut several thin slices. Arrange the cheese on top of the tomato and place the lid on the sandwich and cut into 2 halves. That's the slice of bread, the sandwich cut into 2 halves. And place on your plate. Your sandwich is now ready to eat. And on the right hand side, you can see a rough example of what a cheese and tomato sandwich looks like. So following on from this particular task, make sure you read it again one more time, and then you have follow-up 12 questions, comprehension questions, to answer on this particular task. Thank you.